Today, I'm going to show you a super simple way that you can add your social media accounts to your Google Search Console so you can start tracking data like search queries for how people are finding your social media posts, as well as just the content on your website. So let's get right into it. All right, so first go and log into your Google Search Console account on Google. And what you're going to do is go up to this top left corner where you initially put in your first property, which was probably your URL, and just click on this drop down. When that comes up, scroll down here to add property and select. And when that comes up, you're going to see now below the ad website that there's 4 new options for 4 different social media accounts. Now, they may add more in the future, but right now we've got Instagram, TikTok, X or Twitter, and YouTube. And to add each of these social media accounts is super simple to do. You're just going to click on add for each one of these, and it's going to give you a prompt to allow Google to have access to your Instagram account. So for Instagram, you're probably going to need to come in here and actually put in your username, your handle, and also your password. Log in there. So let me do that really quick. Got my information in. Let's press log in, see what it shows us. So now it's just telling us that Google is requesting access to this PKA content Instagram account. So I'm going to press allow. Adding property, and boom, property added successfully. So let's go to this property now. And when you first put it in here, it's going to tell you it needs about 48 hours to gather some data and start giving you insights. So get this done, get all your accounts in there, and then in 48 hours or less, be able to get in here and start seeing some of the insights that it's gathered. But in the meantime, let's go add those other social media accounts so we have them all ready. So head up back to this top left corner, click on the drop down. Let's go back to add property. And now we're going to select TikTok. Agree and continue. And if you're already logged in, you're going to be able to just continue from this page without having to put in your username and password. So let's go ahead and click continue. Adding property. And now TikTok is live as one of our properties. We can go back. It's going to give us that same notice of 48 hours. All right, let's go add the next. Click on the drop down, head down to add property. Let's add in X or Twitter. Agree and continue. And now authorize app. Adding property. And added successfully. Let's go to property. And now we can go and add our very last account and my favorite, which is YouTube. So go to add property, go on down to YouTube. If you have multiple YouTube channels, you're going to want to make sure that you select the one that you want for this account. So BK content for this one, add property. And now the property was added successfully. Again, go back to the property and you'll see it's going to take 48 hours to do that. All right, that's it. That's how you add your social media accounts to your Google Search Console so you can start getting query data for how people are finding these posts even outside of your website, which is totally awesome. And if you're a small business owner or agency that wants to learn more about how to use social media to win terms on Google, then come and join our SKOOL community where we teach SEO DIYers how to use the content both on their website and on their social media accounts to help them rank at the top of AI search. In the community, you'll find courses and tutorials for everything to do with SEO and digital marketing as it relates to AI search. And you'll also get access to SEO experts to give you fine-tuned recommendations for your situation. So if you like that video, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow our channel so you'll be notified every time we put out content like this. And if you're looking for how to make content that actually ranks at the top of AI search, then watch this video right here and we'll see you over there.